recently I was doing a debriefing with one of our clients, and he said, man, I couldn't be happier, Gary. We did not lose very many patients. And I said, well, let's just recap everything you did. Well, here's some things he did. He and his team did the heads up conversation with patients before they went out of network. Naren, you remember that heads up conversation?
Yes.
It's letting people know that nothing's changing today, but there may be a time in the future where you're no longer contracted with their plan. So it's giving them a advance warning. So he did the heads up conversation. Then secondly, doctor and team, once they resign, they talk to as many of their patients as possible in their visits to the practice. So they would identify patients in their schedule that were Delta, if it's Delta that we're using here. I'll use Delta because they're the 5,000-pound gorilla. So they'd identify their Delta patients and then assign someone to talk to that patient that day, because we want to talk to them as much as possible. And then once we've resigned, we send a letter to the patients, letting them know what we're doing. And we have to time that letter so it gets there before Delta sends their letter, because Delta will send a letter to the patient. And then my client said, Gary, we decided to do something else. You had suggested using a video, and we decided to take action on it. And so we produced a short little video. It was about 2.5 minutes long. It was with the doctor on camera. And he said it was just done with my smartphone, done with my iPhone. That video quality is pretty good these days from smartphones.
Yes.
And he said, I just talked to the camera as if I was talking to a patient face to face. And I said, hey, I wanted to let you know what was going on. And so you'd be informed. We appreciate each and every one of our patients. You are important to us as a patient. We think of our patients as a practice family. And I want to let you know, what we've done. We've made a decision, and it's a decision that impacts you. And I wanted to explain it to you. And then he went on and kind of explained. And the key talking points were that you can still choose our office for your care. You can still come to our office. Whatever insurance benefits you have, you can use them in our office. We're going to still file your claims like we always have. And we're going to help you get every dollar of benefit that you have. And then, based on some coaching I had done with him, he said, I closed the video by telling them what I wanted them to do. And he said it sounded, something like this. I hope, and my entire team hopes, that you appreciate the quality of care we provide. You appreciate the way we treat you like family members, both clinically as well as in your experience in the office. We work hard to make every experience a positive experience when you visit. We hope you appreciate the way we continually invest in state-of-the-art technology, the way we use the highest quality materials, the best advances in dentistry, because that's what we would want. The way we spend time with you during your appointments. And we appreciate that. We hope you appreciate those things and continue to come to us for your care. Hey, thank you for spending some time with me on this video. I look forward to seeing you on your next visit. And this video, he said, we got lots of comments from people as they had their appointments coming up. Hey, I saw that video with the doc, and that was really helpful. So I thought I'd make a good podcast episode to suggest that you include video as another way to communicate with your patients. Send that to them as an attachment in an email, a video attachment in an email, where they can just click it and play. Now, not everybody's going to watch the video, but given that you probably haven't used video that much in that format, they might be just intrigued enough, your patients might be just intrigued enough, to click that video and watch it. But at the very least, it's just another layer of communication that helps deliver our talking points and our message.